Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add stroke in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project or open previous project. So as you can see, there are projects available. You can even create a blank object. So press on any one of them. So you have entered this editing platform. In order to add stroke, here on the bottom, tap on the sticker button. After clicking on this, here search button and search stroke. So as you can see, there are different type of strokes available. Some of them are free, but some of them have to be paid. So click on the ones that are free. Now we have inputted it. Now you can even play with the opacity and adjust them according to how you want. At last, tap on the stick button on the top, and now you're done. So this is how you add strokes in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.